Next is question number 5, part A. The area of shape ABCDEF is 24 square centimeter. All lengths are in centimeters. Diagram is not to scale. Part first is show that 5x square plus 17x minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's divide this shape in two parts. Let's say this point is G, ED is 2x, then FG is 2x. F is 3x minus 9, GD will be 3x minus 9. And this CB will be 3x plus 13 minus 2x equals x plus 13. CB is x plus 13, AG is also x plus 13. Now area of this shape will be equal to x plus 13 times 4x plus 3x minus 9 times 2x. 3x minus 9 into 2x. And area of the shape is 24 square centimeter. This is 24 equals, expanding the brackets, 4x square plus 13 times 4 is 52. 52x plus 6x square minus 18x. Now 24 equals 4x square plus 6x square will be 10x square. 52 minus 18 is 34. So plus 34x. Rearranging it as 10x square plus 34x minus 24 equals 0. Dividing this equation with 2, we will get 5x square plus 17x minus 12 equals 0. Hence proved. Part 2. Solve by factorizing the equation 5x square plus 17x minus 12 equals 0. You must show all your working. Equation is 5x square plus 17x minus 12 equals 0. It will be factorized as 5x square plus 20x minus 3x minus 12 equals 0. Taking 5x as common, and we will have x plus 4. Taking minus 3 as common, it will be x plus 4 equals 0. So 5x minus 3 into x plus 4 equals 0. Now either 5x minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. From this, x equals 3 over 5, and from this x equals negative 4. So 3 over 5 are negative 4. Part B. Solve these simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. Equations are 3x minus 2y equals 23 minus 4x minus y equals minus 5. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. By equation 1 minus 2 times equation 2. Equation 1 is 3x minus 2y equals 23, and multiplying equation 2 with minus 2, we will get 8x plus 2y equals 10. This will be cancelled, and 8 plus 3 is 11, so 11x equals 33. X will be equal to 3. Now by using x equals 3 in equation 1, we will get 3 into 3 minus 2y equals 23. So 3 times 3 is 9, minus 23 over 2 equals y. So y will be 9 minus 23 over 2 is minus 7. Y equals minus 7. X is 3, y is minus 7. Next is part C. Solve the equation. 2 into t plus 3 over t minus t over t plus 3 equals 1. Taking its LCM, which is t into t plus 3. And here we will have 2 into t plus 3 into t plus 3 minus t times t is equal to 1. Expanding the brackets, we will get t square plus 3t plus 3t plus 9 minus t square equals, multiplying this with 1, t square plus 3t. Now it will be 2t square plus 3t, and 3t will be 60, and 60 times 2 will be 12t, plus 9 times 2 is 18, minus t square minus 3t is equal to 0. So 2t square minus t square and minus t square will be 0, and 12t minus 3t, 12 minus 3 will be 9. This will be 9t plus 18 equals 0. So 9t equals minus 18, then t will be equal to minus 2.